So in case of an inclined plane surface, so if you have an we have an object on an inclined plane surface, so this is the object, and if it has a mass of 3 kg, so this would be 3g Newton, so it would have two components. So one of the component would be mg, so this would be 3g sine, if this angle is theta, so it would be 3g sine theta, and the other one would be 3g cos theta. So the 3g Newton weight would be broken down into two components, 3g sine theta and the other one would be 3g cos theta. Now there is going to be a normal reaction force. So that normal reaction force is going to be R. Now one thing is important to remember, since there is no motion over here normal to the plane, so R is going to be equal to 3g cos theta because they are in equilibrium. So R is going to be equal to 3g cos theta because there is no other forces working over here. Now the surface is a rough surface and we have a frictional force over here, and that frictional force is mu. Suppose mu is 0.5, so this is going to be 0.5 R. So since we know the value of R is 3g cos theta, it's going to be 0.5 3g cos theta. Now what we know over here is the object is accelerating downwards. So the object is accelerating downward, it's moving downward. So the question is, find the acceleration of this object. It's in an inclined plane. So the main idea for this would be net force equals to mass into acceleration. So net force is, the forward force is 3g sine theta. The value of theta would be known, of course. And the force that is trying to pull it backward is mu R. So that is 0.5 and R is 3g cos theta. So this is the net force. Now we know the net force is equals to mass into acceleration. So mass is 3 and acceleration is a. So 3a equals, so this would be 3g sine theta minus 0.5. 0.5 into 3 is 1.5. So let me write 1.5. 1.5 g cos theta. So therefore the acceleration is going to be 3g sine theta minus 1.5 g cos theta divided by 3. Now oftentimes the relationship of sine theta and cos theta would be given in the format of tan theta. So it is possible it can be given, suppose in this math it is given tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. That means if there was a right angle triangle, if this was theta, this would be 3 and this would be 4, and from here we can find the relationship of sine theta, which is by Pythagorean theorem, this is going to be 5, 3, 4, 5. So sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, this would be 3 by 5, and cos theta would be adjacent by hypotenuse, would be 4 by 5. So it would be sine theta and cos theta. So if you can plug in the value over here, if you can just take sine theta, and instead of sine theta, if you can plug in the value of 3 by 5, and instead of cos theta we can plug in the value of 4 by 5, so it turns out to be it would be 9 by 5g minus 1.5 into 4, that is going to be 6 by 5g divided by 3, and we can figure out what the value of the acceleration would be. So this is 1.96 meter per second squared.